Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing very beautiful and stylish Mehndi designs that will make your hands look stunning and trendy. Whether you prefer bold patterns or delicate details, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. Segment 1. Elegant Floral Mehndi Design. Let's begin with a classic floral Mehndi design. It features delicate petals, swirling vines, and elegant shading, making it a perfect choice for any special occasion. Segment 2. Stylish Finger Mehndi Pattern. If you love a modern and sleek look, this finger Mehndi design is perfect. With fine lines, dots, and geometric patterns, it gives a stylish and sophisticated touch to your hands. Segment 3. Arabic-inspired Mehndi design. Arabic Mehndi designs are always in trend. This stylish Arabic Mehndi design includes bold outlines, beautiful paisleys, and graceful gaps to give a chic and elegant look. Segment 4. Bracelet-style Mehndi for a fashionable look. Want a Mehndi design that looks like jewelry? This bracelet-style Mehndi design is perfect. It features chain-like patterns, beads, and delicate detailing for a stylish and trendy touch. Segment 5. Mandala Mehndi with a modern twist. Mandalas add a timeless beauty to Mehndi. This mandala Mehndi design has perfectly balanced circles with fine details to create a mesmerizing and stylish look. Which very beautiful and stylish Mehndi design was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. See you in the next video.